This video is about Peregrino Sinistime, the future chronograph time songs. So, Peregrino Sinistime, the future chronograph. So, here's the illustration of the Peregrino Sinistime. Peregrino Sinistime clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. And the 1 is 10 per seconds or 10 per minutes. The 2 is 20 per seconds or 20 per minutes. The 3 is 30 per seconds and 30 per minutes. The 4 is 40 per seconds or 40 per minutes. The 5 is 50 per seconds or 50 per minutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. Peregrino Sinistime is decimalized time and metric time. And the time is 6:44, 7:10 Peregrino Sinistime. Or 6 per hours, 44 per minutes, and 7:10 per seconds. The 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinistime is 20 per hours. Okay? 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinistime is 20 per hours. Then 100 per seconds is 1 per minute. And 100 per minutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 per minute is composed of 100 per seconds. And 1 per hour is composed of 100 per minutes. So the time equivalent, Peregrino Sinistime to standard time. 1 per hour, Peregrino Sinistime is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 per minute, Peregrino Sinistime is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 per second, Peregrino Sinistime is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So, and now the Peregrino Sinistime time songs. The Peregrino Sinistime, the future chronograph time songs. Okay. Post-meridian is composed of 180 degrees longitude wide. And anti-meridian is composed of 180 degrees longitude wide also. A total of 360 degrees longitude wide. Okay. The 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinistime is 20 per hours. So, 360 degrees longitude wide divided by 20 is equals to 18 degrees longitude wide. So, 1 per hour is 18 degrees longitude wide. So, the time zones charts. Degrees longitude wide and the corresponding Peregrino Sinistime. 0 degrees is 10 o'clock noon or alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat or alas 10 sa udtong totok. Then, 18 degrees longitude wide is 1 o'clock p.m. 36 degrees longitude wide is 2 o'clock p.m. 54 degrees longitude wide is 3 o'clock p.m. And 72 degrees longitude wide is 4 o'clock p.m. So, continue. 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. 108 degrees longitude wide is 6 o'clock p.m. 126 degrees longitude wide is 7 o'clock p.m. 144 degrees longitude wide is 8 o'clock p.m. And 162 degrees longitude wide is 9 o'clock p.m. So, the another side of the time zones. So, time zones equivalent charts. Degrees longitude wide and the corresponding peregrino sinus time. So, the another side of the time zones. 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight. Alas 10 ng hating gabi. Alas 10 sa tungang gabi. Then, 162 degrees longitude wide is 1 o'clock a.m. 144 degrees longitude wide is 2 o'clock a.m. 126 degrees longitude wide is 3 o'clock a.m. And 108 degrees longitude wide is 4 o'clock a.m. So, continue. 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock a.m. 72 degrees longitude wide is 6 o'clock a.m. And 54 degrees longitude wide is 7 o'clock a.m. 36 degrees longitude wide is 8 o'clock a.m. And 18 degrees longitude wide is 9 o'clock a.m. So, that's all, and thank you so much.